Forget everything you know about sea salt spray. This new technique changes how your hair looks, feels, and how it adds volume. Check this out. Traditionally, you will take a sea salt spray, like for example, my Tidal Wave, my best-selling product, and you will spray it throughout the hair. The one benefit about Tidal Wave, and because this is made by myself under my direction as a professional, you only need 2 to 3 sprays. Unlike other products that are wasting your money, you need 10 to 15 sprays for it to even do anything. So here is the new way to use sea salt spray, especially if you're looking for volume, you've got flat hair, and it's called spot spraying. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the spot and the targeted area that I want volume in, and I'm going to spray Tidal Wave right there. Now, remember, the volume comes from this, the root area. Volume doesn't come down here. Yes, it can, but if your hair keeps falling flat, it's because there's nothing going on at the scalp. It's just falling flat here. It's collapsing. So you need to get the volume right at the scalp. So what am I going to do? I'm going to spot blow dry this, meaning I'm going to pick a targeted area. Let's start with the very, very front, especially for demonstration purposes. I'm going to comb through it, make sure there's no knots, and I'm going to lift, and this is the area that I want to spray Tidal Wave in. Okay, 1 and done. Next area, where do I want volume? Okay, 1 spray, 2 sprays, 3 sprays. Okay, yes, I am spraying more, but I'm targeting it in a very specific area. Now, what that's doing, it's building the volume, notice right here. And then if you want one for good luck, all over the rest of the head. Now, I want you to watch this as I'm going to blow dry this hair. Yes, this is damp hair. There's nothing else in it. And I'm going to lift and watch the volume that I create utilizing this technique of spot spraying. Now, look at the volume in the hair. Now watch this. This is me not even styling it. Look at what's happening is you could see how the hair is actually taking place from the root and getting that volume right in through here. So now let's see if I were going to run my fingers through it and try to, style it a little bit and get some shape in through here. Look at all that volume and texture. I'm even going to get closer. Look at this. There's no denying it. This is real time. This isn't fake. This is all volume. There's the scalp. And look at all right here from the scalp area, the hair is lifting out. So that means that all of that is from the way I used my Tidal Wave sea salt spray. It's all from adding the volume from the scalp and target spraying the product. And this hair will not fall flat. Then you can go in and apply any sort of product that you want. But if you see this even from a side profile, look at that volume, look at that shape. Again, there's no hoaxes. I'm a real professional hairstylist. You want the real deal and you want real hair tutorials and products that have results, then you can definitely check my stuff out. You can actually purchase tidal wave right here when you click on View Shop. It's available, made in USA. It's a customized product. It's my #1 bestseller. So the spot spraying is actually, I've been doing this for probably 30 years, but all I see on social media are a bunch of people selling sea salt sprays who have never spent a day as a hair professional trying to scam you. Meanwhile, I'm trying to share with you real deal hair advice with real results that I've been doing for 30 years on clients. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Check out Tidal Wave right here. I'll see you soon.